Hey, what's going on YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. This is Matt. In this video, I'm going to be going over the best traffic sources for 2022. All right, now the first one is called leadsleap. Okay, so it's just as the name intended to get you a leap with some free leads daily. Okay, I'm going to be going over a couple of options real quick. Okay, so the first one is you could, of course, have free advertising, which I do actually encourage you to upgrade. So we're going to go ahead and click on the first option. Okay, so you could put in a picture here. I recommend putting in a catchy photo so it'll catch someone's attention. You're going to put in a URL. You're going to add a catchy title. You're going to add text, and then you're going to add an image here as well too, and then preload credits. This is only for if you want to go into the free option. All right, and then you're gonna select the category. Okay, advertising, affiliate marketing, cryptocurrency, etc. Okay, and you're gonna hit save and submit. Okay, now that's the free option. So also with the free option, you'll have to surf ads, at least 10 ads per day to get credits. Okay. Now, if you want to go into the pro section, all you have to do is go ahead and click on pro ads. And I am a pro member, so it's pretty much set it and forget it. Okay, so you want to click on add new here. Okay, and then you can put in your picture here, add URL, gonna add your catchy title, add text. Okay, and here's mine so far. So I got 798 visitors within the last 47 days. And then let's see, 761. Well, 761 visitors on my other ad, 815. So as you can see, I'm getting visitors and I am getting opt-ins as well too, and sign-ups and sales. Okay, so they also have a page manager as well too. I'm going to be going over that in a separate video. Funnel builder or funnel manager, I mean, that was added a few months ago, and you could track your affiliate stats. Now, I'm going to be going over to my next one here, which is Webtalk. Okay, so Webtalk is a new social media platform that you could post your links, okay, and get free advertising. And I'll show you a quick example right here. So let me go ahead and click on my page. It's kind of like, I like to call it Facebook and LinkedIn combined. If Facebook and LinkedIn had a baby, it'll be Webtalk. All right. So you're going to go ahead and click on there's a timeline here. And as you can see, I've been posting in here a business that I'm a part of. Okay. And as you can see, I'm fairly active in here. Okay. And you could also earn points as well too, and cash for referring people. So each time someone signs up to the rewards program, you earn $5. Okay, and here are my stats so far for this month, and you earn on their actions as well too. And here's from, I believe it's 41 affiliates, $225. Okay, and then you get your referral link here, and you can watch some of my other videos on Webtalk as well. And that's another way you can get leads. And I have gotten leads and sales from Webtalk as well too on other platforms. Okay, and the next one I'll be going to is Herculist. Okay, it's another lead source I like to use and get sales and signups with. So the first thing we're going to be going to is the ad mailer. So that's the free option, but I do recommend upgrading to the lifetime gold membership like I have. So you're going to go into add mailer. You're going to just continue to add mailer. Go on here. And then you're going to submit ad. You're going to enter in your subject line, okay? And then your plain body text or your email body. And then you're going to submit your affiliate or put in your affiliate link and then hit submit. But to get the best results, you're going to go back to home. Oops, hold on, let me see. Let that load for a bit. I'm going to go back home and it's still loading here. Go back. Okay, and then you want to purchase, you want to go to solo ad specials. Okay, go ahead and click off of that. Okay, and then what I do, I do a mixture of options here. I do the solo ad for only $20. If you don't have much money, you could do that, or you could go into the guaranteed traffic login ads, and you could do that as well too. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and open that up. So the iBlast, you need increased traffic, increased sales, and you need proven buyers, then this is the one for you, okay? And like I said, it's free. I mean, not free, I'm sorry, it's cheap. It's only $39.99 for that one, okay? Now, if you are ready to join any of these programs or all three, like I said, starting off, they're all free of charge. If you're ready to get started, go ahead and click the links below. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Thank you. Have a good one.